Have you ever noticed your HVAC system showing error codes or inconsistent readings for temperature, humidity, or carbon dioxide? Welcome to PartsHnC. In this video, we'll show you how to identify and fix this issue quickly. The problem is often a faulty combination sensor. This single device monitors all three values, and when it fails, your system can't deliver accurate performance. Checking or replacing this sensor is usually the most effective solution. Start by turning off the power to the HVAC system for safety. Then, inspect the wiring connections on the sensor, as loose wires or reversed polarity are common causes of incorrect readings. If the wiring looks fine, test the temperature sensor by measuring resistance. It should read around 10,000 ohms at 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, verify the humidity output, which should fall within a 0 to 5 volt DC range depending on the environment. Then check the carbon dioxide output, which should read between 0 and 10 volts DC. If any of these values deviate by more than 10%, the sensor likely needs replacement. When installing a new unit, mount it about 5 feet above the floor on an interior wall, away from vents, direct sunlight, or heat sources to ensure accurate readings. With a properly working combination sensor, your HVAC system will run more efficiently and reliably. Check the description below for the direct link to the part. Please visit PartsHnC.com to find high-quality replacement parts and tools to keep your system running at peak performance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow PartsHnC for more quick HVAC repair tips and maintenance guides. Thanks for watching. Or